If you have filed your tax returns, you might be wondering when will you receive your tax refund? Here's what you need to know. If you've already filed your tax return, you're likely wondering when your refund will arrive. With financial obligations to meet and plans to make, knowing the timeline for receiving your refund can be crucial. For many taxpayers, a refund is not just extra cash. It's money they're counting on to manage expenses or make important purchases. The easiest way for you to find out your tax refund is to check the "Where's my refund?" tool on IRS website. It's online and will not take too long for you. Make sure to watch the full video because later, I have multiple ways and workaround to find out your tax refund as well. Take a look how you can find that out. The link of this IRS tool is in the description below. Remember to click the subscribe buttons so we can share this video, the tool, and details with many other people. We put in a lot of efforts, energy, and time to share this useful information with you. Now let's get back to the tool. Take a look at what I'm sharing. This is the IRS website. Look at the refund status on the screen. As it says, you can get refund status. First step, enter your Social Security number, tax year, your filing status, and the refund amount is shown on your tax return. All fields marked with an asterisk are required. You will need to enter each of them in order to get the refund status. So make sure you have all the details handy before you start. The first one is your Social Security number. Enter the SSN or ITIN shown on your tax return. Okay, the next one is the tax year. Select the tax year for which you are seeking refund status. Assuming you are looking the latest filing refund status. If that's true, then click on 2024, the latest tax year. Then the next one is the filing status. Select the filing status shown on your tax return, whether it's single, or married filing joint return, or married filing separate return, or head of household, or qualifying widow or surviving spouse. The last and very important one is the refund amount. So go ahead and enter that in the text box. Make sure to enter the exact whole dollar refund amount shown on your tax return. And simply click on Submit. You will see the status once you click the Submit button if you entered all the correct information. Also make sure, as the IRS recommends, for security reasons, the IRS recommends that you close your browser after you have finished accessing your refund status. How easy that is, right? Now let me show you other alternatives, but before that it's important to have basic understanding of the refund timeline. In 2023, the average tax refund was just over $3,000. While this may vary from year to year, taxpayers who file electronically and opt for direct deposit can generally expect their refund within 21 calendar days of filing. However, if you file the paper return, the wait time could be significantly longer, typically 4 weeks or more. To check the status of your refund, the most efficient option is to use the "Where's my refund?" tool available on irs.gov or the IRS Go mobile app. If you e-filed, you should be able to see your refund status within 24 to 48 hours after submission. If you mailed a paper return, it may take up to 4 weeks before your status appears in the system. You should know about IRS enhancements to refund tracking. The IRS has upgraded its refund tracking system, making it easier for taxpayers to understand exactly where their return is in the process. Instead of vague status updates like "processing," the tool now provides detailed information about the specific stage your return is in. If there's an issue, you will be notified along with instructions on how to resolve it. Here are some potential causes for refund delays. Several factors could slow down the processing of your refund. Earned Income Tax Credit (EITC) or Additional Child Tax Credit (ACTC) delays. Due to federal law, the IRS cannot issue refunds for EITC or ACTC recipients before mid-February. If you claimed one of these credits, your refund is expected to be available by March 3rd, provided there are no complications. The IRS will update the "Where's My Refund?" tool with EITC and ACTC refund statuses by February 22nd. Errors or missing information. If your return contains discrepancies, such as mismatched Social Security numbers, incorrect income reporting, or missing information, the IRS may flag it for manual review. This can add weeks or even months to your wait time. To avoid unnecessary delays, double-check your return before submitting it. Banking issues and federal holidays. Even if the IRS has approved and released your refund, your bank's processing times can affect when you receive your money. Some banks take an additional 1 to 5 business days to process direct deposits. If you opted for a paper check, be aware that they are 16 times more likely to be delayed, lost, or stolen compared to direct deposit payments. Now here is what you can do if your refund is delayed. If you believe your refund is taking longer than expected, here are the steps you can take. The first one is to check the "Where's my refund?" tool. You know that already. This is the most up-to-date source for tracking your refund status. If your return was filed more than 21 days ago e-filed or 6 weeks ago paper-filed, and the tool does not provide an update, further action may be needed. The second option is to call the IRS Refund hotline. You can reach the IRS Automated Refund hotline for additional status updates. The third alternative is to use the IRS online account. The IRS has expanded its online and in-person support options. By creating an IRS online account, you can access key details from your tax return, track your refund progress, and even sign tax forms electronically. The fourth option is to visit an IRS Taxpayer Assistance Center. If you prefer speaking with someone in person, the IRS has increased staffing at its Taxpayer Assistance Centers to provide in-person support for refund inquiries. Lastly, you can also request a refund trace. If your refund was sent via check and has been delayed for an extended period, you may need to request a refund trace through the IRS to ensure it has not been lost or stolen. I would recommend you to stay updated and avoid future delays. While most refunds are processed on time, unexpected delays can happen. To minimize issues, ensure that your banking details are correct, verify all personal information before filing, and opt for electronic filing with direct deposit whenever possible. For ongoing tax updates, financial tips, and refund guidance, consider subscribing to IRS updates or following their announcements. Hopefully, your refund will be in your account very soon. That's all for now. If you found this helpful, do not forget to drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an update. We put in a lot of time, energy, and effort in putting the information together so you can make informed decisions. Thanks for joining me today. Take care, and see you next time.